केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं।
Go back to July 29, 2022, when Alia Bhatt posted my letter and my gift on her Instagram story. I went nuts that day, and I had mentioned in my Instagram caption that I'm definitely meeting her someday. Fast forward to today, when my caption got manifested and I was invited to an exclusive lunch with Alia Bhatt.
Okay, so I feel this is the best one. I mean, guys, I love this, so I might just go for this. I don't even feel like trying the other ones because like I just love it so much.
Perfume at the perfume. Reserve that chair for you. And also, सबसे request है, please.
I was actually expecting this, and I was expecting this and manifested this last time. I didn't get a chance to meet you. So you posted my letter on your Instagram story, and I went nuts that time. So I had decided one day that I'm definitely going to meet you, and today is the day. So please read all the gifts that I've made for you. I've made a gift for you, and it explains the effect of how you have impacted my life. It's a timeline of how you have been impactful at different timelines of my life. So please read it, and lots of love. Happy birthday in advance, and your biggest fan. So guys, I just met some new friends over here who are as die-hard fans of Alia as I am, and they all have fan club. Yeah, I don't have a fan club, but still I'm grateful that I'm here. I get to be here. Yeah, so the last time Alia posted my letter on her Instagram story during the Darjeeling filming companion movement. Yeah, yes. So
I will say all our stories and everything.
Really? Yes, but that means a lot to me.
And I just knew her name is Shania, and I used to call her Shania.
That is so cute.
Until my mom told me that it's Alia Bhatt.
Okay.
And that's rest is the history.
I just hope that she remembers the letter because my handwriting was on the story.
Yeah, as much as I've heard from people that have already met her before and like twice, they have told me that she remembers everything. Basically. Yeah, let's
Today I created a scrapbook में पूरे timeline डाला है कि मैं कौन से साल के तब क्या impact हुआ.
used to have a diary where I used to put her newspaper cuttings and write on it. I just want to say I love you, Alia.
All very good afternoon. And सबसे पहले आप सबके लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Make some noise. आती है कि आप एंजॉय करें, तो हमें देखना है सबके हाथ में स्टार्टर होना चाहिए, ड्रिंक होनी चाहिए. You have to make sure that you're well fed. और in which movie did Alia debut as a child artist? यहाँ पर मैं आप सबके लिए आलिया के फेमस डायलॉग्स आइकॉनिक मुंबई से है. ऑलराइट, पहले भार्गवी के लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. भार्गवी, एक्शन. कैन यू ऑल सिंग विद अस? मैं प्रेमी, तू राजी, मैं राजी. Everyone clap your hands.
प्यार तू दिल तू यूं जान मेरी जान मेरी
So nice. Big clap, big clap, big clap.
timeline of how she has impacted my life. And this was the letter that she posted on Instagram. This is for Ranveer from me and my friend. We both are mad Ranveer fans. And this is again for Alia. Letters. And why I have opened more? I have. Yeah, that's all.
मत भूलना हम आपको फोटो वॉक पे जो फोटो खिंचाई है आप
Guys, I'm so nervous and excited, and I don't have a question ready. What should I ask? Rajasthan color I love her. क्या question पूछूं उसके बारे में? I just know everything. I've told her. मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. मैंने देखा है, but today I'm going to meet her. I just want to see if she remembers the letter that she posted on the story. She does. She says that she remembers everything. I just want to see. I just want to ask her. I'm not shivering because that had happened last time first. This is my first time. Okay. Yeah, I can understand. This time I'm like very excited and I have decided कि मैं फोन ज़्यादा नीचे रखना और enjoy करना. So I've decided mentally prepared myself to be okay even if I don't get stuff on it. I just want to live this moment.
We have our lovely Alia joining us in the next few minutes. I want to start as you all our lovely guests. Make some noise!
तो एक्चुअली हमारी लाइफ में प्लानिंग हो रही थी मी एंड माय टीम सो आई वांट यू ऑल टू क्लैप्स फॉर द टीम बिकॉज़ दे हैव पुट इट ऑल टुगेदर Pantan also organized my wedding so she's a very important integral part of our life तो काफी टाइम से we have been planning this it just never happened like some date issue some planning issue like whatever all over the place then finally
It is making me feel so good, and I love you. I really love you.
to anybody saying I love you so I love you and thank you for this with my hair and I'm doing this and then basically it's
You
not
still
the
look
same
pretty doing that.
yeah but I'm saying it's not the same if I go with open hair eventually it ends up being something else so just to keep my hands free and my like you know whatever life stress free I do chipku
I can't believe that you are right in front of my eyes right now. And you were like telling me about PR, and we had a eye contact, and all the time my heart was like skipping a beat.
आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं दिल को
I had prepared questions and I had to talk so much to you, but right now I'm just so nervous looking at you. Like I don't want to say thank you for existing.
अजब सी अदाएं हैं हो
I mean, everyone, whatever they all have said, I feel the same. As Sakshi said, I think most of the speech, that is what I feel for you. Even I get offended when anyone calls them as your biggest fan. Even I have adapted all of your body languages, the way you sit, the way you talk, the way you speak, whatever you speak. I've grown up. Like you are a third parent to me, I can say that. And I'm so proud of it. I'm so proud that you are my idol. And I mean, I can't. I just feel like crying right now. I can't believe like you are right in front of me because I've been manifesting it so much. I've learned manifestation from you. I've been manifesting a lot of things. And if you remember, you posted my letter on your Instagram.
Darlings, yes.
You remember it?
Yeah.
Thank you. And I went nuts that day, and in my Instagram caption I had mentioned that one day I'm going to definitely meet her, and this is coming true right now. And I just want to say that how can I always kept wondering to myself, how can a person I've never met in my entire life be my best friend, my mentor, and like all my life I've just grown up observing you watching your movies, your YouTube, and everything. Like even just because of you, even I want to become an actor. Okay, I have seen lot of dreams, and watching you in your entire journey, the way you spoke in your interviews, everything. Right now, I feel like I'm living my dream life. I'm doing what I love, and there have been lot of hardships in my life. But whenever I was depressed, just one little 15-second YouTube clip of you, and I'm happy. Like I used to wonder that ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि the person I've never met in my life has such a big impact on me. And yeah, that's it. I mean, there's a lot. I've prepared a book for you in which I've created timelines and posted stamps wherein how I was a kid and at what time, how you have impacted me with all the pictures in it. I've recreated your pictures. Even I started my YouTube channel watching you, which is called as Bhargavi B, inspired by Alia B. And there's a lot of relatability in all. As Sakshi said, like people see you in me. They like everyone knows how obsessed I am to you, and I mean I'm bluffering a lot right now. My grammar is like I don't know, but I'm just seizing the moment. Like I can't believe it. Like you're just right in front of me, and I have a letter for Ranbir as well. I love him. I admire him a lot, and I have a gift for Raha as well. And she's such a sweetie pie, so please give my regards and please read the entire book that I've made for you. Just thank you for existing. And I even had a question for you.
Yes.
So right now I'll tell you that you're the biggest superstar in the country, and you will respond as if no, I'm not, because of the kind person that you are. But you are for all of us. So when you started back as a younger Alia, when you had doubts in your mind, how did you navigate that? And now what you tell yourself when you are there, you are like you have achieved. I know you will say something like, oh, this is just the beginning. I know that, but for us you are the superstar. So right now what you could tell your younger self?
Very clearly, I still have doubt, and like you already predicted what I'm going to say. I do remind myself in moments about how far I've gotten from the younger Alia that had this dream, and I think I had it when I was in the 3rd standard, if I'm being very specific. Not I'm talking about the time when I spent like, my childhood watching TV and all. But I remember it being very clear, and you talk about manifestation and stuff like that. I really put it out there in the universe, holding my shampoo bottle in the shower and giving award speeches and stuff like that. So I always reflect, but I don't stop only because I really feel if you limit yourself and saying I've reached, then you get a little lazy, you get a little comfortable, you start taking your achievement for granted, because I don't think it's all me. It's a lot of combination of things coming together that has brought me here today. A lot of right people, a lot of great creators, good energy, good timing. I do feel like luck has a lot to do with it, a lot of hard work, of course. So I can't give it all credit to myself saying I have achieved this and I have done that. But I do, of course, reflect and feel grateful again and happy. But doubt is very good. I learned this when I was in I think when I was in college or something, school, doubt is the key to knowledge, and I genuinely believe that. It's because if you have self-doubt or you have a doubt in a particular moment, you'll strive to move past that, and in that you'll grow, and in that you'll learn something new. So thank you for giving me the pat on my back, but I don't do that very often. But when I do it to the little Alia and not the Alia today.
I've seen those patterns of you, and like I try to adapt it while I'm manifesting something. I've seen your energy. You just wish for something and let it go. So I've seen that, and I have manifested a lot of things, and I've manifested this meet after the letter that you posted. I hope I'll manifest working with you someday in a movie as well.
Exactly, that's it. You have it right there, and I like the bow on your head. It's cute.
Thank you.
सबसे हसीन अंदाज है तू.
Javed sir?
Friends or something, and I told them that you are an actress. What character do you aspire to play, or what genre, and who is your dream co-star? That's my question.
I really want to work with Shah Rukh Khan again.
Oh my god, I love to see, he's my favorite actor.
Yeah, I'm a film for us to come together because I really had the best time working with him, and he's such a gem of human being as well. What was your role?
And which genre or character?
And that day she said, you were asking me about the funny things that Raha says. That day she said she was like sitting with some cupcakes, and when we asked her who gave you those cupcakes, and she said Shah Rukh Khan. I don't know why, but clearly she's very well versed with everything. So yeah, that is Raha's daily. No, because you're doing your best, and whatever you're doing for your kids. You're working so that you can give them a good life. Yes, absolutely, and I'm pretty sure you're doing your best. So
Love you, Alia, and keep doing good.
केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं.
yes, I will.
आई ऐसी रात है जो बहुत खुश नसीब है, चाहे जिसे दूर से दुनिया वो मेरे करीब है. कितना कुछ कहना है फिर भी है दिल में सवाल कहीं, सपनों में जो रोज कहा है वो फिर से कहूँ या नहीं. आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, हो आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं. दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें, ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं. तेरे साथ साथ ऐसा कोई नूर आया है, चांद तेरी रोशनी का हल्का सा एक साया है. तेरी नजरों ने दिल का किया जो हशर, असर ये हुआ अब इनमें ही डूब के हो जाऊं पार, यही है दुआ. आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, हो में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं।
Okay, this is Deep, guys. Thanks to him, yeah, he made me a promise 2.5 years ago that he is definitely going to make me meet Alia, and he completed it today. So thanks a lot.
जैसे कि मैंने इनको पहले बोला था कि जब भी आप मिलोगे that will be the very best day of your life, and I think this was something universe had planned for her,
Yeah.
and this is the surprise you can see.
So pretty.
She would never got such good pictures when
Exactly.
you would have met before.
Yeah.
So this is
Thank
a
you so
relation
much.
for everyone. That
Can I tell the story? So basically, literally what happened, I manifested this 3 weeks ago. I was in my gym working out. I was thinking कि आलिया का birthday है every year during her birthday. I think that I want to put a picture with her for her birthday. And next day. So everyone here is a fan club. I don't have a fan club of Alia. And he was like, listen, I had promised you. So thank you, Deep. Thanks a lot. I'm very,
it's
very
a pleasure,
grateful.
and I'm very happy.
Let's stay connected. And I'm leaving India in 1 month. And before that, it happened. So perfect timing. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful.
OMG, it's a straightener.
Oh my God, what are you?
Oh my god, what a rush.
Guys, what do you think?
I just purchased like 2 months ago.
I wanted to go shopping tomorrow. What is that?
Titan Raga. Oh my god.
मैंने
She gifted every single thing that she owns. I saw it from Lodge. Raga to Philips. She gifted us every single thing.
Alia is the best. Eddie. I love Alia.
See this bottle, guys. You see this bottle? It's very pretty.
Also, guys, we as fans, Alia showed us some 2 of her personal videos. We saw her.
What is that?
New stuff. Yes. So Alia calls this as a small token of love. Like really, this and small. Okay. So and trust me, guys, 80% of the things in this hamper is something I was actually going to go and shop in a few days. So I'm so glad I just got it. So beautiful. Of course, the autograph, the pictures, then we have a straightener, and that's my ID. Then Alia's favorite milk leche cake, which I also love, and even I wanted to give it to her, but I thought, will she even eat outside food? Then this is these are those cookies. We have to scan it and open Spotify, and that's the playlist that Alia has created for us as fans. Then we have a diary which says Moody, Floaty, Fire and Desire, which was her Instagram bio for years. Then we have a beautiful watch by Raga. Then we have Vico. Then we have a Make My Trip envelope which I haven't yet opened. Then we have 6 lipsticks from L'Oreal. Then we have eyebrow pencil and liner. And then I have the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. We have hair color. Then we have box. Then we have some hair serum. Then we have a brightening serum. Then we have some blush, shampoo. Then a beautiful bottle. Then this note. And I love this bag.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुझे बनाया।